Today I'm with Realme C25Y and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and here tap to the Gmail application. Right now here on the left upper corner or on the right upper corner, in my case this is on the right upper corner of this icon, tap there, and as can you see we are logging in the two accounts at the moment. So now just tap here to the manage accounts on this device, and as can you see we got here these two accounts. For example, we wanna remove the first account. Just tap here and here you will see the remove account button. Just tap here and confirm by tapping one more time on the remove account, and as can you see we got here right now just one account. Now we'll check that. Yeah, as can you see we are logged in into one account at the moment. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.